Writing scripts in Python is a great way to save time and automate mundane everyday tasks. For our project, we decided to write a Python script that would streamline the process of selecting a payload within MSF Venom based on input from the user. Through research, testing, troubleshooting, and the use of virtual machines, we were able to write a script that successfully performed the actions we were looking for. This payload could then be used to gain access to another computer. I will now pass it off to Nick and he will walk you through the script and how it operates.
Right, so our Python script here on the left gives us the option to select if we want a Windows reverse shell, a Linux reverse shell, and then based off the choice that we have, it selects a certain payload through MSF Venom to create a payload for us. And I'll demonstrate it right here in Python 3 with our payload script. I am going to do a Windows reverse shell script. My IP address for the Kali machine. I'm going to put a listening port of 4444 and an output name, super secret file.exe. We'll let that create our little payload for us. And I already have an HTTP server set up, so I can go onto my Windows machine once this is created. Alright, it looks like it was successful. I have it in here that you can create a second payload if you like, or hit N to keep it to the one payload. So we'll refresh my HTTP server, and here's my super secret file.exe. Go ahead and get that ready. And in MSF console, I have the same Windows x64 interpreter reverse TCP payload set up with our localhost listening port. I'm going to do exploit. And on the Windows machine, we will run this. And we have a session opened. So let's go sessions. Resume 4. And let's test to see if we're in. Get UID. And there we have it. We are in the Windows machine, logged in as fstack.